Who doesn't love the sweet smell of rosemary that gives fresh touch to the atmosphere of our home? Rosemary is woody evergreen herb. That means a plant that doesn't shed its leaves in winter and stay green all around the year. It has sweet, delightful fragrance. I just love its aroma. It's so refreshing and therapeutic. In Hindi, rosemary is known as gul mehendi. Rosemary has the slender needle-like leaves on this green stem, but as the plant grows and matures, the stem turns brown and woody. You can use rosemary as a seasoning in variety of dishes such as pizza, pasta, salads and soups. It also goes well with potatoes, onion, peas, mushrooms and spinach. Fresh tender tops are used for garnishing and flavoring cold drinks and pickles. Rosemary is known for its multiple uses. It is also commonly used in aromatherapy. You can get this plant at any local nursery. I brought this plant for around 60 rupees. Growing this beautiful herb is easy and simple if you follow some basic fundamentals. Rosemary prefers full sun, meaning at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight on most days. As per textbook, south-facing window is ideal for indoor growth, but from my experience, it grows well outdoor in semi-shade area that receives morning or evening light. Inadequate light can cause leggy and weak growth. It is very hardy plant that can tolerate frost very well. It thrives well at day temperature 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Since the rosemary prefers being on the drier side, I would suggest using well-draining gritty potting mix. A good blend of garden soil, coco peat, perlite and compost. A soil mix that doesn't retain moisture for very long time. It should be well-draining. Watering the plant right is the most important factor for growing rosemary. It is fairly drought resistant plant that requires very little water and prefers being on drier side. So as shared earlier, use well draining potting mix and water only when soil is completely dry. Poke the finger into the soil. If the soil feels dry, it's time to put water and water the plant thoroughly till water comes out the drainage hole. Talking about their pot size, select the pot size as per the size of the plant. Too big pot means extra soil and extra moisture which can cause root rot. Terracotta pots are porous in structure and absorb moisture more quickly as compared to ceramic and plastic pots, so they work very well for rosemary plant. Pinch and prune your plant regularly for bushier growth. Pruning promotes more branches and more leaves. While pruning rosemary, don't prune off more than 1/3 of the plant at a time, as this can stress plant. Make cut just above a leaf joint. And you can use the stems for making new plants and for propagation purpose. For propagation, remove the leaves on the lower portion of the stems and put them into the water. Keep the container in semi-shade area. In about 2 to 3 weeks, new roots will come. Once the roots have developed, transfer them into the well-draining soil mix and place them in partial sun. Rosemary is not heavy feeder. Mixing compost into the soil at the time of planting can help to give the plant a healthy start. After that, you can add any nitrogen fertilizer once a month to continue to promote quality growth. While the rosemary is easy to grow, it is susceptible to some plant problems. Some of them are thrips, whiteflies, mealybugs, and it is also prone to root rot. A solution for most of this problem is ensuring the plant gets good sunlight, well-draining potting mix, allowing the soil to dry out between 2 waterings, and keep the plant well ventilated. If you notice any infestation, use strong jet of water with few drops of softener to clean the plant. For heavily infested plant, cut away infected plant parts and spray the plant with neem oil solution to avoid spreading. For harvesting, cut off 2 to 3 inches of plant sprigs. Cut stems at regular interval to promote bushier growth. Use fresh rosemary sprigs or leaves in cooking as you like. Or hang the stems upside down in dry, cool, well ventilated area for drying, which should take a couple of weeks. Once the stems are dry, strip off the leaves and keep them in airtight container in the refrigerator. Rosemary can enhance any garden with its magical fragrance and textural foliage. Add this classic aromatic herb into your garden to benefit from its fragrance, culinary and mood enhancing properties, or to grow as beautiful plant as it is. That's all about this beautiful aromatic herb. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to Garden Vibes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.